Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ranika Ramadhani, absent number 28 from Science 3. Here, I will do an English practice essay regarding the procedure text. The title I choose is How to Make Yogurt. To find out, let's look at the tools in ingredients and how to make healthy yogurt. Check this out. The first step, prepare 2 airtight containers and have been soaked in warm water. Then yogurt that has live bacteria may use flavoured yogurt or not. Prepare 1 liter of low-fat UHT milk. Then the spoon and stirrer soaked in hot water. After the ingredients are ready, pour the milk into the pan. Then heat until the milk is bubbly, not boiling because it can damage the protein in the milk. After that, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to feed the bacteria. After the milk has heated up, wait for it to cool slightly and the milk should remain warm. Pour the warm milk into the 2 containers with equal measures. After that, add the bacteria set from the yogurt respectively 2 tablespoons and 4 tablespoons different. Then stir until evenly distributed. Then close the container tightly and wrap it in a cloth if so. This process is done to keep the yogurt warm and successful in making it. After everything is done, wait and let the yogurt stand at room temperature so that the yogurt stays warm for about 8 hours. After 8 hours, the finished yogurt can be enjoyed and can also be put in the refrigerator to make it more delicious. So, that was a series of healthy and delicious yogurt making process. Hopefully it's useful and good luck. So from me, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.